So I think I'm discussing about your pre-stressed concrete. So pre-stressed concrete is a form of concrete used in construction. So it is substantially pre-stressed or compressed during production uh, in a manner that strengthen it against tensile force, which will exist when in service. So basically, pre-stressed concrete beam under loading conditions, we have different pre-stressing beam. So I'm discuss what do you mean by pre-tension concrete, what do you mean by post-tension concrete. So basically pre-tensioning. So pre-tension concrete. So first one is your pre-tensioned pre-tensioned pre-tension concrete. So if you see the diagram of your pre-tension concrete, so pre-tension concrete is a variant of pre-stress concrete where the tendons or the bars or the rods are tensioned prior to the concrete being cast. So the concrete bonds to the tendon at it cures. So basically on both the ends anchorage is to be fixed, and the parts, the tendons, each being transferred for a tensile force, and basically a tensile force will be acting on your pre-tensioned concrete. So pre-tensioning is a common prefabrication technique where the resisting concrete element is manufactured remotely from the final structure. So if you see here, we have one diagram that is. So this is, here we have a tendon. Here we just put a tendon. Here we just put a tendon. So this is basically a tendon. Put a tendon. This is your pre-casting bed. This is our pre-casting bed. So this is our pre-casting bed. This is our pre-casting bed. Next, here we have tendon, and here in this both side, here we applied a tensile force. Here also we apply a tensile force. So tension the pre-stressing tendon against the end abutments. Here we fix, or end abutments will be applied here in this direction. Also in this direction, here the end abutments will be applied. So basically one abutments shown in this manner. So here we tension the here we tension the here we tension the pre-stressing tendons. Tension the pre-stressing tendon. Pre-stressing tendon. against against the against the end abutments. Next here we cast the beam concrete. So here in this diagram, if you see here, we just cast the concrete. So here we cast our concrete. So here this is at the tendon. This is basically the tendon, and this tendon a tensile force is to be applied. So here we have a tendon, here also we have a tendon, and basically on this tendon we cast the concrete. So what we do, we place or we cast the beam concrete. So here we put the concrete. So here what we do, here we put all the concretes. So here we cast the concrete. So here casting of concrete is to be done. Here we cast the whole concrete. So here this is your casting of concrete, or cast the concrete beam where tendon is to be fixed. So here casting of beam is to be done. So here we have casting of beam, casting of beam, casting of beam. Next we release the end anchorage or pre-stressing the beam. So what we do after, when we see, when our whole the assembly or whole the this casting of beam or concrete work will be done, then what we do, then we just release the end abutments or pre-stressing the beam. So pre-tension concrete is a variant of pre-stress concrete where the tendons are tensioned prior to the concrete being cast. So the concrete bonds to the tension at it cures. So basically the end anchorage of tendon is released and the tendon tension forces are transferred to the concrete as compared by your static friction. So pre-tensioning is a common prefabrication techniques where the resulting concrete element is manufactured remotely from the final structure location and transported to the site once cured. So it requires a strong, stable end anchorage points between which the tendons are stretched. These anchorage form the ends of a casting bed, which may be many times the length of concrete element being fabricated. This allows multiple elements to be constructed end to end in the one pre-tensioning operation, allowing sufficient productivity benefits and economic of a scale to be realized. So the amount of bond achievable between the freshly set concrete and the surface of the tendon is critical to the pre-tensioning process as it determines when the tendon anchorage can be safely released. Higher bond strength is early age concrete will speed production and allow more economical fabrication. So pre-tension hollow cork plank been placed in various bridge construction. So when you see your nearby bridge construction, then you find this type of things. That means you find pre-tensioning work that will happen your in your nearby surrounding area. Next I am discussing in next session, I am discussing, or in tomorrow I am discussing your post tensioning concrete. Basically, what do we mean by post tensioning concrete, and how post tension tender anchorage will be given in your pre-stress concrete structures. So basically, this is another aspect of designing our pre-stress concrete or pre-stress structures. Then we see comparison between bonded and unbonded post tensioning, and also in next session we will see different types of your losses. So what are the different type of losses, and how different type of losses will govern or will affect our post tensioning and pre tensioning structure. So in next day or in next session I am discussing all the things. So thank you everyone.